Oxstrong Moving started while I was studying at the University of Florida. Every move I did in college, it taught me something. And one move changed everything. I arrived to a scene that I'll never forget. It was an older couple crying on their porch with their life's possessions scattered across their new lawn from another moving company. And it made me think, why do we let strangers move our lives? And that's when I knew we weren't just gonna be another moving company. I'm happy to say that we became a customer service company that also happens to provide exceptional moving services. What makes us different?
It's simple. Our mission is to move clients from stressed and unsure to relaxed and happy.
We move clients from stressed and unsure
to relaxed and happy. We move clients from stressed and unsure
to relaxed and happy.
We move clients from stressed and unsure
to relaxed and happy.
Love your clients. Every client is treated with kindness, respect, and a little bit of personal touch.
Energy and enthusiasm. We infect each other with a high energy that leaves our clients feeling stress-free and our team feeling energized and motivated.
Personal accountability. Staying true to your word creates trust with our clients, our team, and within yourself.
Continuous improvement. We're always learning, growing, and striving to be better.
Marketing militia. Every member of the Oxstrong team is a brand ambassador, and that is Oxstrong Moving's core values.
Yeah, so we knew that the movers coming into these homes were the face of the company. The focus wasn't just hiring and training movers, it was building leaders.
Oxstrong came in and you helped me with the community, picking up the toys. The first year we did 28,000 toys. The second year we crushed it, 30,000 kids that we helped out. Oxstrong, I thank you for everything that you've done. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. We couldn't do this without you. You meet the mission. Appreciate it. Thank you.
When you're working at Oxstrong, it's like a puzzle to figure out the best way to satisfy the customer and make sure that all their stuff gets moved in an efficient way. Us being able to come together and tackle something like we would a problem in the Army, but applying it to work is just, not only is it fun to be able to accomplish that, it's satisfying as well.
I joined Oxstrong Moving when we were in a truck rental yard in Gainesville. Then at our second location, I began to train new hires and lead jobs. Now I own a branch in West Palm Beach, and that didn't happen by accident. It's built into our culture.
I own the Fort Lauderdale location and we dominate. It was the best decision I've ever made in my life.
At Oxstrong Moving, we don't hire movers. We hire marketers. Every team member is trained to grow your business while on the move.
You're lowering your customer acquisition costs with a workforce that sells while they serve. We're selling moves, and we're also here to support you with servicing the clients.
The support from the beginning has been phenomenal. When I win, the company wins, and when the company wins, I win.
With every move, every mile, every review, you're building a local moving empire.
Join a fast-growing brand where you're not a number.
Oxstrong on three. 1, 2, 3, Oxstrong!
The brand is growing fast and is designed for people who want to own their future and build real wealth. So take your spot at the #1 fastest growing moving company in the US, and let's start your success story today. We move clients from stressed and unsure to relaxed and happy.